Hello, folks, and welcome to this 86-day magic and message to our people. Where from wherever you are, I bring you greetings. I bring you good news, and I bring you great guidance. Coach Emen here speaking. LTB Light team bringing you what was lacking in our world yesterday, and today we're making it happen. Those facts that you call impossibilities, we are now beginning to make them impossibility. We are now beginning to make them a possibility. Okay? LTB Light is here to assure you do not let anyone condemn you. Okay? No amount of education can bring you the success that you desire if you don't have math in your life. No amount of education. No amount of righteousness can bring you the amount of success that you desire or that you deserve without the presence of math. Okay? Math is the spirit that is behind every structure that is built that lasts forever and ever. Okay, so do not allow anybody to condemn you. Part of the ways that they can condemn you is they have planted it in us to question how righteous we are, or how beautiful and handsome we are. Okay, or how well we can be able to speak a foreign language, or how many degrees and titles we have, or even how old we are, the gray hair on our head, how beautiful we are. Those things does not matter when you come to LTB Lighting. Okay, the one eye that guides us is above and inside us. Okay, it's no coincidence that you have something that looks like the sun right in you, and that is your eyes. Okay, and that is what the enemy wants to close, and that is what we LTB Light here is bound to open. Okay, on this 86th day, show gratitude to whoever sent you this very video. Okay, whoever brought you to this very channel. You know, I don't know the reason why. I don't know what is going on in your life. I don't know what kind of prayers you have been making before the universe, to desire to see this very video today. You might say, why didn't I see this all this while? And, why right about the time that you're asking that very question, some people will be saying, my God, I regret it. I've seen this all this while, but I did not know that this is the value inside this very channel, inside this very message. That is life. Okay, so there's a reason why you have to follow the link below right now and do the right thing, and that is to connect to your past and to your roots. That is math. That is math right there for you and me. Because if you don't connect to your root, one thing we know for sure is that you're not going to bear good fruit on it. I desire to bear good fruit on it. If I bear good fruit on it, it is not enough. The satisfaction that I have is that my brothers, my land are bearing good fruit on it. Okay? You have a great potential inside you that cannot be unlocked by the education that you have. Okay? Some people are educated. They went to school, they spent all this money, they did, but still, because there is no math in their life, they are nobody. They have not amounted to anything that can be able to free their own people. They cannot amount to anything that can even feed their own family. You see, the presence of math is what led our ancestors to go to the farm and conquer. The spirit of math that was in our fathers that conquered when they go to farm and have a plentiful harvest. That same spirit can also lead us today to become whoever we want to be. Great inventors, great marketers. That's the presence of math. Successful, great wealth builders. Okay? So now we did not leave you out there to go out there and till the ground without the fertilizer, without the tools. Okay, you're not going to go farming barehanded. Okay, we have leveled the playing field. Okay, so what you see here is the green book. This is the green book. This will ensure that you're sustained on it. The famine might come, okay, but it's not going to touch you. It's not going to reach your family. Okay, it's not going to reach you because you did the right thing. Okay, be very, very careful when you are connecting with us. Be very, very careful. You know that math is going to descend also to lead you to the laws, because math is laws. Without laws, you are fruitless on earth. Without understanding the laws behind everything that you want, you're fruitless on earth. Okay, be very, very careful to be a signatory, to sign and cosign the laws that will preserve and sustain you on earth. Okay, and not only that, you have the travel mode, because we are travelers by mind. We travel to space. We travel all over the world. Okay, you don't know where you find yourself. This is a travel mode passport. Okay, you have to have it so that when the destroyer is around your corner, when he knows that you are a part and parcel of the LTD Light team, it will pass you by. The destroyer will not get you. Okay, so now that said, on this 86th day, connect with your roots, connect with the link below, and go and download your own math exercises and begin to do it. A word is enough for the wise. I hope this day that you will do the right thing, and I hope also that you would be with us on the 87th day, and I hope also that you would be with us as the journey continues to the 1001 day journey. And as you know, off bat, it's not going to be easy, but we're going to do it. Okay? Thank you so much. Be well.